Are you ready for a journey for passive income through Facebook? In this video, how to make over $1,000 a day using Facebook in 2024. Hey everyone, welcome back to Rich Trick. If you're new here to this channel, it's all about luxury, wealth, and the best ways to make money online. If you want to elevate your financial game and live the life you've always dreamed of, make sure to hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon, and of course put on the notification so you never miss an update. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make over $1,000 a day using Facebook, a platform many seems to overlook these days. Do you want to make enough money from Facebook? You want to make over $1,000 easily? You want to rake in $1,000 daily? Then follow me. Let's talk about how you can make passive income through Facebook. Let's get started. Number one. Step one for today to make passive income $1,000 a day through Facebook, you need to create a new Facebook page. Now, how do you create a new Facebook page? For those of you who have a Facebook account, now all you just have to do is to log into your Facebook account and create a new page. However, if you don't have a Facebook account, you can simply go to facebook.com, sign up for an account, and create a Facebook page. Then after you create a Facebook page, what next for you to do? You have to log into your Facebook like I said, hit on the page selection and create a new page. Name your page based on the content you want to post. So take for instance, if you want to post something about luxury, you've got to name your page like something luxury OSHA or luxury restrict or restrict for luxury, things like that. So once you name your page, then the next thing to do is to choose a category. Categories like animals and pets, categories like luxury, categories like fun and entertainment. And of course, you need to add a profile picture. Be sure to add a profile picture that speaks about the content you want to post. Step 2. Step 2, you have to find content to post. What's a Facebook account without a content? And of course, you need to post content about your based categories. So for instance, if you based on the luxury category, then you need to post luxury content. Now, you could head over to YouTube where you find tons of great content that you can repurpose. You could search for stuff like funny dog videos for 2024. Let's take a look at funny dog videos for 2024. Let's head over to youtube.com and we're going to search for funny videos for 2024. Here we're at youtube.com. Let's over to the search bar. Let's search for funny dog videos of the year 2024. Now when we get crazy, lovely, and beautiful videos like this, you can see this puppy, lovely videos that people want to watch, you simply download this video and repurpose it on Facebook. You could use apps like CapCut, many other editing software to repurpose the video. Now that's all for that. Then the next thing is you simply use your search feature to do Creative Commons, so you don't copy a video or download a video that has creative license or is copyright. Don't forget to do that. If you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to comment below with your thoughts. Your engagement really helps this channel grow. I always love to hear from you. Step 3 on how to making $1,000 daily on Facebook. Download and edit the video like I said. However, you're not going to stop at just downloading and editing the video. You could use software like iMovies, software like DaVinci, software like CapCut like I said earlier. Let's take a look at CapCut. Let's see what you can do with the app CapCut. CapCut is a video editing software where a lot of people go to. It's an online one actually. However, it's got a desktop app and it's also got a mobile app. So you could download it on your phone However, I'm going to advise you to download the laptop, which is the window app. Now, when you go to CapCut, you could sign up for a free account. It's available for you guys to use for free. Now, that's all with CapCut. Step 4 on today. What's on step 4, guys? Let's stay tuned. Oh, yeah, you have to sign up for Amazon affiliate programs. Now, how do you make money after repurposing your videos? Do you just want to make up to $1,000 on Facebook alone? Me and you both know that you can make up to that on Facebook alone. That's why you need to sign up for Amazon affiliate program, which is the Amazon Associate. Now we're going to come here and go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com. As you can see, Amazon Associate, Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program. This is one of the largest affiliate marketing programs in the world. The Amazon Associate programs help content creators, publishers, and bloggers monetize their traffic with millions of products and programs available on Amazon. How do you get started? Sign up. Step 1, join 10,000s of creators, publishers, and bloggers to earn money with Amazon Associate. Step 2, share millions of products, of course, while you post on your Facebook account. You're just going to pick links on Amazon and add to them. So take, for instance, you post luxury products. Let's say you share a video of a luxury cloth. Come down to Amazon Associate, look for luxury clothes on Amazon, pick up the link, post it on your Facebook account, and you rake in that thousands of dollars every day. Then after that, all you just have to do on Amazon Associate is to watch your money flow in. Step 5, which is the last for today, but not the least, guys. Step 5, post consistently and apply for Facebook bonus programs. A lot of you know this as Facebook monetization or making money on Facebook. However, this program is available for you in as much as you have up to 10,000 followers on the platform. Post consistently for at least 30 days. Once you reach up to 1,000 views, then you could apply for Facebook bonus program. Although sometimes it's invite only, however, Facebook has expanded to over 150 countries, which is good news to a lot of people who are not available for the platform before. Facebook also offers other ways to earn money like in-stream ads, stars, and of course, to qualify for this kind of ads, you need to have over 10,000 followers, and most times you need to reach over 600,000 minutes or sometimes 60,000 minutes of watch time. But the consistent effort, this is always achievable. Now, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you already have, then share this video, hit the thumbs up, and tell your friend about it so you all could benefit from it. Don't forget to comment on all our videos. Let us know what you think, what you know, so we could give you more exciting videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and if you're looking for another way to make money online, check out this video up the screen. Thank you. See you again, guys. Bye bye.